This bang is growing. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now I have this coat. Shout out to bro, because he ordered it for me and he told me like, hey, Walmart had a clearance sale. So this is what he ordered for me. Okay, it's a big puffer pink coat and I'm going to try it on. I hope that it fits. Okay. Okay, I'm about to open it right now. There goes the moment of truth. Can my arms fit? Because like I said, I'm almost 6 feet. Like, ooh, I think the arms are too short. If there's not that extra, uh-oh. See, this is why I can hardly stand being so tall. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh my goodness. Wait, maybe I'm speaking too soon. It is an extra large. I thought he said he was gonna order it in a 2X, but I guess it fits. Yeah. Okay. I can move my arms. Let me see. Okay. 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 Oh wait. No pockets? These pockets, yes. So my hands can stay warm, you know, because it's still winter time. It's not over with yet. Okay, let me flip the camera. Okay, let me see. Turn around, look in the mirror. Okay. Like, yeah, okay, okay, okay. A little Wally Mart. Yeah, so I'm cool with that. And it's cozy and it's warm. Let me sit y'all down so I can see how I can zip it up. Let's see here. I'm satisfied. I'm a satisfied customer. Yes, I am. So now, okay. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Let me try the hood. Okay. This is when the music starts. And I have on the sweater, but you know what? I could have took 1X. Yep. Okay. I can work with that. She can work with that. Yes. All right, I'm straight. I like my coat. Oh, I do. It's cute. It's cute. It's that baby pink. It's that baby soft pink. Yeah, you know. Look, what was this? 25 bucks. Okay. What up? What up? What up? What up? Hey, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Virgo Creativity. Okay, I just have to keep reintroducing myself. It's the reintroduction every single time. Okay, I am so loving this mirror right here. That was given to me for Christmas. Okay, like I so love it. Oh, and my leggings are what is that? Pink. Okay, yeah, that's the brand Pink. What's up under this napkin? Napkin. Okay, this paper towel. A piece of cake and some coffee, which I need to stir up. Okay. Okay. What did I cook? Oh, I'm just saying. Look, check this out. Look at it. Like, for real, for real. For real, for real. Yup. Got that gravy. Got those potatoes. Little celery stalk. Little baked chicken. This stuff's still boiling. Look at it. It's still bubbling. Look. In the Pyrex. And over here, over some little stove top. Okay? Because of the gravy gonna marinate in the mouth. Okay? Yeah. What's up, everybody? It's Miss Virgo Creativity here, and I just want to say welcome back to my channel. I just want to look at the focus of my channel, and my channel, fashion, fitness, and lifestyle and beauty. With that lifestyle, I'm gonna just incorporate vlogging and hauling. That's what lifestyle is to me. You know what I'm saying? And what I may be doing out on the road, if I'm doing chit chats, car vlogs, stuff like that. So okay, that's what I'm looking at. And then beauty, so I'm going to be uploading exercising, okay, fashion, if I do a try on, if I'm talking about clothes or something, and then if I'm talking about clothes, try on hauls and vlogs, you know what I'm saying? Or it's going to be like that, I'm not going to slide or skate too far away from that content, okay, because that's what my channel is pretty much about. So you know um that's what I'm looking forward to. So I know that Valentine's Day is coming up, so in that road trip that I took, I end up getting this cute little onesie, so I know that I'm going to be wearing that. I know that I want to upload a makeup video, so I know that I want to upload a makeup video. I know that I'm going to do a fitness video and maybe a vlog or two in between there. So that's what I'm looking forward to do on my channel. So, and then if I have a haul or something, or fashion haul, or if I just throw in what's going on, as far as a grocery store haul or something like that. And just I just want to pretty much cater to my audience. Okay, so like I was saying, if you're going to be doing this, get into the analytical side of it, okay? Find out who your audience is, and yeah, try to keep pushing out the content that way, okay? You can start off with your phone, you know what I'm saying, and get you some lighting going on, and yeah, that's it. Be yourself, and come in being yourself. That's what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah. And you know what? Like I stated before, I'm doing this because it's pretty much all about me at this point, because my son is well grown. And it's funny because the age category where my biggest amount of viewers come from is in his age category. I don't know, but thank you so very much. These are the people that are supporting me. My supporters are supporting me. When I say supporters, these are the people that decide to subscribe to my channel, family members, those that are watching my videos, those that are watching me on all of their devices. So if you have a cell phone, a tablet, an iPad, computer or two, and you're watching me on all those devices, yeah, you're supporting me. My supporters are people that decide to click on my channel. They decide to click on my channel, spend time on my channel, watch my videos. Not only watch my videos, they watch all of my videos on their devices. And not only do they watch all of my videos on their devices, they decide to come back and view my content. Those are the ones that are supporting me, okay? So I highly appreciate it, okay? I take nothing for granted. That's why I say I appreciate every second, every minute, and any time that you spend on my channel. You know why? Because your time is precious. So I 100, you feel me, appreciate it, for real, for real. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead, because I'm almost there, okay? So when I get to that number, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I think I'm gonna do something fancy. Yeah, so I just want people to go ahead and subscribe, and genuinely, if I said that correctly, subscribe. Go ahead and hit subscribe. You feel me? Okay. This video has generated over, what is it? The workout video. And I'm gonna just keep pouring into it. So that video, just something about Google likes it, YouTube likes it, the people responded to it well. So that video is doing well, okay? So I appreciate that. And so yeah, I want to turn my comments back on, for real, so I can start to get people feedback, because I feel what other exercising videos could or should I be doing? I just want to know, is there any more exercising videos that I need to be doing? I don't know, but I know that I want to upload another jump rope video, for real, okay? Because when I was younger, I used to love double dutch, and I had a friend, he's passed on now. We used to be out there double dutch all day. That was our thing, okay? So Yeah, and this coat that I'm wearing is by Walmart. It's, well, it was purchased from Walmart, and it's called Big Chill Down Blend. Okay, so yeah, so I'm really loving this coat. You know, it's giving me everything that I need for this weather. Okay, so like, I feel like I've been talking long enough. It's 8 minutes already, so yeah, like, for real. Okay, and I'm sitting up here. I was eating these. Did you guys used to eat these when you were younger, or is this only like a hood thing? I don't know. Okay. But red hots, yes, I love red hots. But I'm just sitting here, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. And I think that I've covered everything that I wanted to talk about. So if you're thinking about doing this, get into the analytical side of it. You can start with your phone and then work your way up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and make the transition to doing your editing and all that on your laptop or your PC. You know, and yeah, just be yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And just let the people that are genuinely there for you gravitate towards you, because trust me, there is somebody for everybody here on this platform. You know, that's what I know. So go ahead and get your beautiful self on out of here into the next one. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video, vlog, whatever, 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 whatever. So I like to say this at the end of my videos. If you're new here, I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free, and you're doing the things that you love to do. Until the next one, peace.